Want to get Disney Plus, Hulu, and HBO Max for one monthly price? Here's how. First, head over to disneyplus.com. You can find my affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you and takes you directly to the official Disney Plus website. On the homepage, scroll down to the bundle section and choose Disney Plus, Hulu, and HBO Max from the bundle menu. At the time of recording, the bundle costs $19.99 per month with ads or $32.99 per month without ads. Click Select on the plan you want. Then continue with the sign up. Next, create your Disney Plus account by entering your email address and password. If you already have a MyDisney account, just sign in instead. After that, review your plan, enter your payment information using a credit card or PayPal, and complete your purchase. It's a quick one-time setup, and after that, you'll have access to all 3 streaming services. One last thing to keep in mind. Disney and Hulu content is gradually being combined into the Disney Plus app, but HBO Max remains a separate app, so you'll continue watching Max content there. To access Max content, you first need to activate your Max account. To do that, follow the steps shown on the screen. I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to support the channel, the best way is by using my affiliate link in the description. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.